Drone 1, this is Control.
Go for drone 1.
Drone 1, we have reports of an unauthorized subject on level 3. A search and launch have been authorized. Please maintain eyes on.
Roger, executing search. Coming up. Control drone 1.
Drone 1, go for Control.
We have a prop door, door number not visible. Area appears to be clear. I'll execute a quick search.
Drone 1's clear to search.
Roger. Control drone 1. We have one subject going into off-board mode. It's a white male wearing blue jeans, black shirt, and a bag, black bag. Subject is walking towards the open door. Subject is exiting the open door.
All right, Drone 1. Great. Suspect description has been heard. Ground response has been alerted and are on their way. Clear to perch and wait just in case.
Roger, perching.